Welcome to Automate Business. If you ever get stuck or need help while using the Automate chat platform, support is always available for you. So in this video, I will help you how to get quick support in the Automate chat application. So to get help from our team, click on the support button at the top right corner. So once you click on the support button, you will see tickets, tutorials, app setup, events, and what's new in the help center. If you want to raise a ticket to our support team, for example, if you are facing issues in the Automate chat related to any technical error, click on the tickets button. Here you will see raise ticket. Once you click on raise ticket, you can select the category of the issue you are facing. Then select the subcategory. In which feature you are facing the problem, simply select the subcategory. Here you can define the inbox. So let's define the subject here and then the description. You need to provide the entire description. If you have any image of the error or a video with recorded voice, you can attach it. This way, our support team can reply instantly and understand the issue well. After that, click on Submit Ticket. So once you click on Submit Ticket, the ticket has been created successfully and your ticket will be visible in the pending stage. Our team will review this particular ticket and you will get a reply within 30 minutes. So once our team replies, this ticket will be visible in the in progress stage, or if it is closed, it will be visible in the closing stage. You can click on this I button to view the ticket. You will be able to see the reply here, and you can reply to our ticket directly from here. After which, once you click on the support button on the top right corner, you will see the tutorials tab. From here, you will be able to watch all the tutorials related to the Automate chat. After that, here is the last option, which is the Help Center. That means once you click on the Help Center, it will open in a new window. You will see the Help Center over here. If you want to chat with our team live. So here we have the live chatbot support option. Once you click on this chat with us, you will see our support team is live currently, and you will get an instant reply in the live chat. Our team works from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. During that period, you will get a reply. After that, we have some tutorial videos and the Help Center. You can search the Help Center over here. So you'll be able to find the article related to the issue or the feature if you want to search here. Here we have app setup. You'll be able to set up the app checklist over here. Once you have done the checklist, you'll be able to mark the checklist over here. This is how you can simply raise a ticket to our support team from the automated chat application and get instant support from the automated chat. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.